Welcome back, everyone. It's Ivan Santiago, your Central Florida Realtor. I am on location in Davenport, Florida, not too far from the Orlando epicenter, and we are in the community of Tierra del Sol. This particular floor plan, the model I'm about to show you, is called the Redbud, and it's roughly about 2,300 square feet. It is a two-story, lots of space. I've been told that in this particular community, all the homes that you purchase come with the lanai already in it, so you don't pay extra for that. The home build outs here, they have about 20 or so more homes that are available, and they should be finished by the end of 2022, December timeframe. So if you're interested in moving here, now would be the time to jump on it, and there's availability, so that's always a good thing. If I could please ask you to like and subscribe while you are at it. Hit the bell notification icon. That will let you know when new content just like this is coming out, and I'm always putting out new content. So hey, I appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and take a look. Welcome back, everyone. This is a wonderfully sized home, lots of space. One of the things that did stick out to me was, I don't know if you can see it behind me still, but there's the front, the room that is right in the front of the home. Once you come in, on the left side is a suite. So the way they built this out in this home, it's pretty nice. You have the privacy of closing that door and having a tiny little hallway that leads you to your private bathroom and your bedroom. So that was a nice feature. Upstairs, we have master, we have the other bedrooms. Very nice distribution of space. This is a large area. Very nice for entertaining down below. So if you like this, if you don't like it, either way, I'd love to have your feedback down below. Please feel free to leave a comment. My information, as always, is down below. Call, text, email, and also, if you could, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future content notifications. I'm here for you guys. This is what I do to help all the people that are out there that are trying to make their decisions about what areas to move to, what communities to move to, all the different builders that you see, just so many things that go into making decisions. I'm trying to make that easier for you. Buy, sell, new or construction, old construction, whatever it is, I'm here for you guys. Hey, take care, and I will see you on the next video.